In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Squarespace website, a crucial step in personalizing your site and branding it effectively. Whether you're launching a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio, customizing your website with your logo ensures a professional touch that aligns with your brand identity. Let's dive into the steps and make sure your website stands out. First things first, you'll want to head over to Squarespace. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website to get started. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can access all your websites and other key features. Now on your dashboard, look for the option labeled Website. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for all your site customization needs, including adding your logo. Click on Website, and you'll notice a drop-down of options for various settings and tools. From this menu, select Edit to start customizing the content and style of your website. Once in the editing interface, you should focus on the site header. The site header is an essential component of your website, as it typically appears on every page and is the perfect spot for your logo. Click on Edit Site Header to access the settings for your site header customization. You will then be prompted to choose Edit Site Title and Logo. This selection opens up the tool you need to upload your logo. In the Edit Site Title and Logo area, you'll see options to modify both the text of your site title and, most importantly, to upload your logo. Ensure that you have your logo file ready to go on your computer, preferably in a high-quality format such as PNG, which allows for a transparent background and ensures the best appearance on your site. Now click on the Logo Upload option, navigate to where your logo is saved on your computer, and select it. Once you've uploaded your logo, you might want to double-check how it appears on your site. After uploading, take a moment to view your site preview. Make sure the logo looks just right in terms of keys, alignment, and overall aesthetic appeal. This is your chance to make necessary adjustments, like resizing or repositioning, to ensure that it complements your website design seamlessly. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you have successfully added a logo to your Squarespace website, enhancing its professional and personalized appearance. Remember, your logo is a key component of your brand's identity, so make sure it looks just the way you want it to on your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your website customization journey.